Namaste, beloved. I'm so delighted that you're considering joining us for the Kuan Yin Transmission journey. It's so close to my heart, this deep feminine energy work practice that is sacred and based on unity and transformation and healing offerings through the awakening of our body and soul as a sacred temple to the divine feminine. And through that creative healing journey and awakening, becoming a living presence of her love on the earth for the spiritual benefit of all beings. It's such a journey. It's blessed, it's challenging, and it awakens us with such grace. You'd be so warmly welcomed and so loved in our community. So please, if your heart is calling you to join us, then I warmly invite you to take that step. So much joy, so much love from my heart to yours. Namaste.